In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to e-sign contracts in Pandadoc. If you've just received a document to sign and you're not sure what to do next, don't worry. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step using the latest Pandadoc interface so you can confidently complete your contract in just a few minutes. First, go to your email inbox and look for the message inviting you to sign the document. Inside that email, you'll see a button labeled Open Document. Go ahead and click that. This will open the contract in your web browser. You don't need to install anything or create a complicated account just to sign. The link in the email is all you need to get started. Once the document has loaded, look to the top right corner of the screen for the Start button. Clicking Start is the easiest way to begin because Pandadoc will automatically jump you to the first field that requires your attention. This is helpful if the document is long, since it saves you from scrolling around trying to find where to sign or add information. When Pandadoc takes you to the signature area, you'll see a signature field, usually outlined in red or clearly highlighted. Click directly inside that signature field. As soon as you do, a pop-up window will appear with different options for creating your signature. Here, you can choose how you want your signature to look. You can type your name and have Pandadoc generate a clean, professional-looking signature for you. You can draw your signature using your mouse, trackpad, or a stylus if you're on a tablet, which gives it a more personal touch. Or, if you already have a saved image of your handwritten signature, you can upload that file. Take a moment to pick the option that feels right for you. When you're happy with how it looks, click Accept and Sign. This places your chosen signature into that field. If there are any other required fields, like initials or dates, Pandadoc will guide you through them in order. Just continue following the prompts until everything is complete. When you're done, look again at the top or sometimes the bottom of the page for the Finish button. Click Finish to finalize the document. This step is important because it confirms that you've completed all required actions and sends a notification back to the person or company that requested your signature. And that's it. You've successfully e-signed your contract in Pandadoc.